Let's review the simple steps to get your label stand ready for use. Let's review the part list. You have your base, a left side panel, a right side panel, and a bar. Make sure you have all of the listed contents for proper setup. Now, let's begin assembly. Insert the left side panel into the slots located on the base. Insert the right side panel into the opposite slots on the base. Ensure both panels are secured. Attach the back support grid. Place the bar across the top of both panels. Insert your labels into the holder. Make sure the sticker on the thermal label is facing up. And there you have it. Your label stand is now fully assembled and ready to use. Thank you for following along.